How many degrees are there in an angle that measures 16 degrees more than the measure of its complement? So we're told that we're trying to find the measure of a given angle. Let's go ahead and let the angle measure be represented by the variable x. We're also told some information about the relationship between that angle and its complement. Let's recall that the complement of the angle is going to have to be represented by 90 degrees minus x. And I've left the degree symbol off at this point. So recall that two angles add together to give us 90 degrees when they're complements of each other. We now know, according to this, that the angle is going to measure 16 degrees more than the measure of its complement. So the angle measure x is going to be 16 degrees plus the measure of the complement, which is 90 minus x. Let's go ahead and add our values of 16 and 90. That's going to give us x equals 106 minus x. Now, to solve for x, notice that we have an x on both sides of the equation. We're going to need to put these variable expressions together on one side of the equation, and we can accomplish this by adding x to both sides. So we'll have x plus x equals 106 minus x plus x. That gives us 2x on the left-hand side of the equation equals 106 on the right-hand side of the equation. We now notice that we're multiplying by 2 times x. To isolate x, we're going to use the inverse operation of division. That is, we can write this as 2x divided by 2 equals 106 divided by 2. To give us our value of x equals 106 divided by 2 is 53. And we're working in degree measure, so the measure of our angle is 53 degrees.